Good morning, my name is Saikrishna
And I am Atharva Rai.
so we together have made this rocket. We used an software called Open Rocket to create this. And with that, we've 3D designed it and then 3D printed it here in our school. Special thanks to Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Principal Ma'am, Nadisha Ma'am, Rajesh Sir and Mukulika Ma'am. And also special thanks to CFRC and Charu Ma'am. Yeah, and so how this works is we're using Bernoulli's principle. Okay, so the lower the air pressure below the pins, it creates more lift. And we're using Newton's third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So how this works is we're using this launcher. It's a 2.5 volt switch, and we ignite it like how the real rockets ignite. And here we've connected with a C-type motor, and it's connected using this. So we can stand far away and we can launch it. Yeah, and it also has a parachute recovery system so that when it comes down, we can easily recover it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hari Om. Good news from Chinmaya Vidyalaya New Delhi. Saikrishna, Class 8, enably helped and supported by Atharva Class 9, successfully launched a rocket from the school. Well, the rocket was created completely by themselves. This rocket is Rocket for Peace. Sai, would you like to say something?
Yes.
We are so very proud of
Thank
you
you,
and of Atharva.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, Chinmaya Vidyalaya. The school has helped me what I've become today, and I would recommend everybody to join this school as it supports everybody to do everything. I would like to say something about my rocket as well. It came down using this parachute system, recovery system, and a shock cord. When it broke apart, the shock cord actually took all the shock and made the parachute open up, and we managed to recover the camera which has the footage of the entire flight. So we'll be showing that as well. Yeah, and thanks a lot to Chinmaya Vidyalaya and Principal Ma'am.
Thank you, children. You rock. Please keep making India and the world proud of you. We are extremely humbled and proud of our children. Thank you.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.